Today I'm going to show you how I make creamy Mexican style hot chocolate. Now most of you are probably familiar with these store-bought brands. You basically use the tablets, dissolve it in milk, whip it up, and it's delicious. But you might not be able to find that in your local grocery store, so I'm going to show you how I make it here at home. Today I'm making Mexican style hot chocolate, so to start I'm going to be using 3 to 4 cinnamon sticks. I'm also going to be adding some allspice berries. If you do not have this, I'll say it's optional, but if you do, you use it. I'm going to be using around 10 to 12 allspice berries in this and around 20 whole cloves. And I'm just going to bundle them and tie them together in this cheesecloth. I will also be adding 130 grams of piloncillo. You could also use dark sugar, 3 12-ounce cans of evaporated milk, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 3 cups of water. So to start, I'm going to add my water into a pot with that bundled cinnamon, allspice berries, and whole cloves, and let that come up to a gentle boil or simmer. Now that my water is gently boiling, I'm going to add the piloncillo. This is 130 grams of piloncillo, a pinch of salt, and just let the piloncillo dissolve. And like I said earlier, you could use dark brown sugar in place of the piloncillo. So now that that has steeped for about 10 minutes, I'm going to add my 3 cans of evaporated milk. You could also use whole milk for this. And over a medium-low to low heat, I'm going to let that gently simmer for another 10 to 12 minutes. Now for the chocolate, I'm using 16 ounces of baker's chocolate. I have 8 ounces of unsweetened chocolate and 8 ounces of semi-sweet. If you're using all unsweetened, you'll want to add more piloncillo to sweeten this. I've roughly chopped it. So now what I'm going to do is add my chocolate to my simmering milk. And this has been simmering for about 10 minutes. So in goes the chocolate. And again, you should be working with a medium-low to low heat, nothing on high. And now with my molinillo, I'm going to mix and whisk this until everything is combined and the chocolate has melted into this very flavorful milk. Now that the chocolate has melted and is combined, I'm going to add my can of sweetened condensed milk. And this is to taste. If you don't want the entire can, then, adjust the ratio. It's up to you. So now that this is combined, I'm going to shut the heat off. And off the heat, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Mexican vanilla extract, give it a mix, and it's ready to serve. Now, if you really want this to be completely smooth, you can add this to a blender, but this is perfect in my opinion. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.